yes, I think they are safe to use if they've been backed by scientific research, like the Bear device here, which is FDA approved and it's been built with safety in mind. The most amazing thing about this device actually is that it's pretty smart. So it basically continuously scans your skin and it checks your resistance to electricity and then tailors the program based on that. That's pretty smart, isn't it? So yeah, it's a great device out there, and if I were going to pick something on the market right now, this would be the one that I'd go for. The Bear device also has an amazing anti-shock system in place. The main difference between this device and an internet device is that the at-home Bear device has a lower current and electrical impulse, which of course makes it safer. Now I know that there are a lot of microcurrent toning devices out on the market at the moment, but the reason why this baby here is special is because it's not just a microcurrent device. Actually, these two metal spears here can tighten and lift the skin, but it doesn't just do that. It also has the amazing T-sonic pulsation technology, so you're getting improved circulation of the skin, you're getting the skin looking glowy and radiant. It's helping to infuse ingredients into the skin as well. So you're getting a lot more than just a toning device when you use the Bear device versus other devices out there on the market. So what I would look for in an at-home device is basically what the Bear device has built into it. So ensuring that you can have varying intensities, you can build your facials up comfortably. I would also ensure that it's super compact and that it has a good battery life. And this baby here definitely has that. So you get 90 minutes from one charge. I mean, that's phenomenal. Which device out there has that? Not many, so that's great. And also ensuring that you are able to use the device when traveling, so it's small, you can put it into your little pouch and take it anywhere with you. The other amazing thing about this device is, although it is a microcurrent device, you can use it underwater just to wash it there. So it's waterproof, you keep it really hygienic, you can wash it with soap, with water, take all the grime off it, take the serums off it, and it's lovely and clean, ready for your next use.